New Zealand trip again, day 8. Woke up late, went back to Mount Cook. We did hike to that thing na itong kuan yus. Okay, day 8, we woke up late, a bit late, but it was just fine. And then we went to the Hooker Valley Trail and went to see the icebergs, no, the glaciers. Day 8, we woke up late, and then our plan for today was to go around Tekapo and check out the place, and then go back to Mount Cook and hike the Hooker Valley Trail to check out the glaciers. So check it out, this video. Yeah. Hey guys, good, what day was today? Wednesday. Good Wednesday, everyone. I was supposed to wake up early because we're going to go back to Mount Cook for today. I'm going to show you the accommodation that we got. I'm half awake, haven't had coffee yet. So this is the bed. It's right, it's messed up. But when you look here, check that out. You can see there's a chair, there's a tree, and you can lounge there. That's the back of the place. Let me open this part here. Yeah, this place is like a farm. It says it's been advertised as a farm, but yeah, check this out also. A fireplace. We lighted it yesterday. I think I filmed it. But there's a backup aircon just in case it's not gonna be that warm for you. The toilet's so clean, and when you go out, you see the kitchen. Kitchen's pretty awesome. Has everything. Has the fridge. Has the microwave. Has a burner. Like, has everything. You go out. That's what you see outside. Okay, let's go out. I'm gonna show you what's what. That's outside. So there's a lounge chair here. You can lounge there, and yeah, and when you look behind you, they're still constructing the place, so it's gonna be some machinery, but you can see the snow-capped mountains over there, and Lake Tekapo is there. So yeah, again, Tekapo is too bright. Lake Tekapo is there, some machineries and some snow-capped mountains over there. We park here, and is advertised like it's like a farm or something, but I'll show you the whole. I'm gonna go further here and show you the whole Red Hut. It's called Red Hut here in Tekapo. Ain't that awesome? That looks so good. And there's a white hut there, but this one's like awesome. Yeah. So yeah, you can lounge in that chair, and then check out those snow-capped mountains over there. And then the lake is there. But for now, there are machineries to the back. Awesome place. Modern. A nice wood inside. Really awesome. So I found. It's Pumbaa. Oh. And there's the warthog. Hey. Hey. There you go. It's their farm. I can see a sheep. And there's an alpaca over there. Hi, alpaca. Come on, don't show me your ass. There you go. Is Eggs Benedict for today. Not much. Nice place here at the Greedy Cow. Yep. Okay, gotta eat now. Yeah, what a goodie. Some more breads up there. So we're back at Tekapo, and it looks different. We can't see that before. There was it was just more simple, and yeah, there's the lake. It's overcast now, but earlier the view was so good. The color of the lake was so good. Oh yeah, the color of the lake there. You won't be able to see it. It's just hard. You just look at the photos in Google, and you'll see a good photos of it. Photos, or you can visualize how good it looks. But, I can't show it to you now, guys.
Oh my God,
Sorry about that.
So beautiful.
Yeah, we're taking this late morning, which is early noon walk up here, and the weather is good. It's a bit cold, but I'm wearing shorts. Walking around Tekapo. There you go. Arrived late last night, so I was so tired. Didn't get a sunset or no evening night sky shoot of the church. Would have been awesome if there was the Milky Way and I took a shot of it, but was so tired last night. So that's alright. It's my second time to be here. Passed by this wonderful lake up here. A lot of people stopping over. Weather's like cold today, right? I'm wearing shorts.
You have to.
Oh, look at that. Look at this valley. Boys, just arrived here. Okay, didn't get more footage for this instance, but we just took photos on the road, took photos in the famous road that showed alpine mountains, but other than that, yeah, didn't have much photos. It was cloudy. Okay, see you in the next video. We'll be hiking the Hooker Valley Trail. Yeah.